What is going on, everyone? Welcome in today's video on how to buy CHZ on Coinbase. So for the first step, we will log into our account, and after that you can simply click on the buy and sell option. As you can see, the one-time purchase is selected, and after that we can fill in the amount we would like to buy. I'm using €2, and after that you can select the asset we would like to buy. As you know, we want to buy CHZ, and that is the Chiliz coin. Select it, and now you can select the wallet you would like to use for the payment. Before we go further, notice that there is a link in the description below to get $80 of free Bitcoin on Coinbase. Don't forget to check it out, and let us know what you think about that video. Now, for the next step, we will click on review order and see some more information about this order. As you can see, I'm buying 10 coins and I'm spending €1.01. The Coinbase fee is quite high, it's 99 euro cents, and the total amount is the €2 we have filled in this preview overview. For now, we will leave it on no, but you have an option to invest on a weekly base. Then the €2 will be spent every week at the same moment on this coin. You can cancel it at any time, so no worries. And after that, you can click on buy now to buy the coins now, and they will be added directly to your Coinbase wallet. Hopefully this video was very helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next Coinbase tutorial. See you guys, bye bye.